Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready
to go to the flea market. What's up, guys? We're at the flea market today. It's going on 9:30. When it gets cold out, there ain't no yard sales. We just do what we can, man. Let's go see what we can find at the flea. $10. That's awesome.
Just sitting there on the couch, just messing around with it. I only got about halfway through, and it took me forever. And then this guy says, lost me. He said, oh, I can open that for you. I got it on. I worked with him. He got fired. Never saw him again. 15, 20 years ago.
How much you asking on that?
Amazing. You have the
15. 15.
That's crazy. Where's all the containers?
Yeah, I like classical. I listen to it.
Yeah, I mean, if you get, there's a lot of bad classical, but if you get something good, it's,
yeah.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you what I got at the flea market. I didn't get a ton of items, but I got some stuff where I'm gonna make hundreds of dollars, man. I got a feeling I did pretty good with this stuff. Let's get into it. First thing I picked up, I don't buy a lot of clothing, but when I see it, we got this old Chiefs, Kansas City Chiefs sweater. It's made by Cadre Athletics. It's an extra large. There's one listed now for $39.99, their best offer, but it's new with tags. I'm gonna try to get 20-25 bucks for it. It's pretty nice. There's no stains or nothing on it. It's in good, decent condition. Nice pull over. Picked this game up. A lot of people don't know about this one. It's NFL Head Coach 09. Got that right there. That's about a $20 game. If you don't know about it, be on the lookout about it. And this was a sick find right here. If you guys didn't know, if you've never watched Matt at Part-Time Pickers, he got me into looking out for stuff like this. We got some vintage Fruit of the Loom men's boxer shorts. These are size 34. There's 3 of them in there. Look what year these are from. Brand new from 1978. Bowling Green, Kentucky. We got 1 of them, 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them. He said $4 a piece, or $5 a piece, or 2 for $8. So we grabbed all 4 of them for $16. So pretty sure these are all from the same year. Yep, 1978. They're all size 34. So I'm gonna make, I don't know if I'll be able to make one listing. Is it all the same 3 colors? Nope. Yeah, I might have to do 3. I might have to do separate ones for them since they're all, some of them got different colors in it, right? Or are they all just mixed? Nope, they all got different colors. But so there's none listed on eBay. I've seen sold comps of some for 35 bucks earlier this year. I think they priced them low. I think I could get at least 50 a pack. So I can make a couple $100 off $16. That'd be awesome. And I think this is going to be definitely the score of the day. If you didn't know, I used to be into collecting Hot Wheels big time. And this is one of my favorite cars. Is the old US mail truck. But this one is the red line version, which is really hard to find. And he had a price tag of it on $125. It's got some paint wear, but it's not really too bad. The base is clean. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. But there's one listed on eBay right now, and they want 150, and it's really beat up. This one isn't in horrible condition. This is a Hong Kong version in 76. But I've seen these go from $300 to $700 on auction. Not sure if I'm gonna do an auction or not, but I don't think this one's too terrible in shape. The square that goes around the eagle's kind of misshapen on both sides. But I think I get at least triple my money on this. I ended up paying 85 bucks for it. I really want to spend 85 bucks on a Hot Wheel, but we're gonna take a gamble. If not, these boxers will pay for my mistake, but I don't think it's gonna be a mistake. But man, that was a great score right there. Time to go into the Salvation Army and see what I got in here for a Saturday. First thing we're gonna grab in here is this GE water filter set, placement set. They want $8. It's going for about $45, $50. So we'll go keep that. Let's go see if he's got these carts up here. They're just putting out. This might be good. Battery. That should be good. Let's scan it now, see what happens. $30 on social 50 free shipping. Ain't that great to pay $10 for it. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what I grabbed at the Salvation Army. When I was leaving, I seen this. We got a 007 Nightfire on the GameCube. Not sure what it goes for now, but the disc was in mint condition. And it's complete. We picked up this Action Clicks Halo. It's a Target exclusive. I don't think it's worth much, but I cannot leave it for 49 cents. I also picked up this Black & Decker 12-volt battery, brand new, for $2.99. Should be able to get 30-something bucks off of that one. So that was a good score. As I showed you in the store, I got these water filter set. Should get about $40 to $50 for this. Paid $7.99. Now I did stop at a pawn shop. I didn't have no footage from that. They had some Game Boy games. They had a Pokemon Yellow and a couple other decent ones, but they were priced high. But I grabbed these. These were at least about $10 to $15 games. We got Clax for $2.99. Mercenary Force, which I think that was at least a $15 game. I've never seen that before. Then we got Micro Machines. I'm probably just gonna keep that one. Then we got Bomberman. That's about a $10 game, I think. So, not a bad day today. We got the underwear. I think we got at least $500 profit. What do you guys think? As usual, I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Make sure you subscribe to my Instagram and Facebook. I put a lot of my solds on Instagram, which I might start putting them back on YouTube here and there because garage sale season's over, you know. So make sure to hit that thumbs up. And we're gonna do a little giveaway if you made it this far. We're gonna give away 20 bucks via PayPal just for the heck of it. I really appreciate all the support I've gotten from you guys this year. The channel's grown a little bit and I really appreciate everybody watching. So all you gotta do is put a comment below, something positive, and hit that thumbs up. And you have to be subscribed. That's the main thing. You gotta be subscribed and leave a comment and you're entered to win $20 via PayPal. So thanks for watching. Peace.